still getting sued.
Stop.
And we have... Don't do that. Something as simple as ripping the $30,000 stock exhaust off our F8 and putting a really loud one on could get us into some legal trouble with Ferrari. Unfortunately, we do not care.
You literally just sold this. The guy's supposed to pick it up today.
Just push it over here.
What?
Ferraris don't come with pretty wheels. Can I say that legally? Yes. It has a factory skid plate. They must have done that for like when you're rock crawling. We had one of the world's most aggressive tunes put on this car. So it pops, bangs, everything. That's from 1K Motorsports. Oh! Oh my God! For a two-wheel drive car, this will kill you.